Today we're looking at a 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5 SL. It's got 29,000 miles on it. It's super black in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. It does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Chrome door handles with the lock-unlock button there. Driver's side of the Altima is in good shape. Does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. It also has the lock-unlock button here. Chrome handles as well. Exterior of this Altima is in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have black leather seating, power driver's seat, perforated inserts. Driver's seat's in really good shape. Passenger seat is also in really good shape, no problems at all. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. Okay, and it does have remote start. It's got your heated seats there. Really nice metallic kind of trim here on the transmission. USB auxiliary and power outlet down there. Does have your dual climate controls. It's going to have your backup display right there, CD player, AM, FM, radio display. Push button start. Leather wrap steering wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls right there. Okay, and it also has your heated steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 29,181 miles on it. We'll go ahead and start it up here. Now that we got it started, we'll check out your display here. That's your AM FM display. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. See if I can dim it down for you just a little bit. There we go. Alright, got your dual climate controls. Okay, and we touched on the push button start there. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. One more thing I wanted to show you. It does have the Bose audio as well. Alright, back seat leather's in good shape. Alright, everything looks really nice. Okay, the only thing that I see back here is maybe just a little bit of the stitching right here in the seat. Okay, just come loose a little bit, but not bad. I mean, you can see it's barely noticeable. I just want to bring your attention to that. Okay, got the cup holders in the middle console. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the trunk. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Got a ton of room back here. Let's go ahead and take a look under here's the spare tire there. Okay. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. Got, what size here? 17-inch alloys. Alright. Treads still in really good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, so 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5 SL, 29,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.